Are you looking for the best jigsaws in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best jigsaws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Bosch J's 572 Epic Barrel Grip Jigsaw Kit. The Bosch Barrel Grip Jigsaw is the ultimate choice for accuracy and control. This jigsaw comfortably keeps the user's hand close to the workpiece, helping avoid the tipping that tends to occur with taller top-handled jigsaws. Also, the grip is slimmer than most barrel-style grips for better control and improved comfort. The saw has the highest amperage in this lineup at 7.2 amps and a speed range of 800 to 3000 SPM, which is regulated by a dial at the rear of the barrel. While the speed could be higher, it's likely plenty for most jobs. This Bosch came packed with 3 blades, more than any other jigsaw we tested. It has a 3-position setting for orbital cutting, a very convenient thumb-activated on-off switch, and a bright LED light. T-shank blade changes are easy thanks to the toolless design with blade ejection. Granted, from the blower setting to the orbital action, there are a lot of buttons and switches on this jigsaw tool, but users will become more familiar with use. What our tester says: during our tests, this model excelled at speed, maneuverability, and minimal chip out, both at 90 and 45 degrees. Sal Vaglica, Product Reviews Tester and Writer. Up next in the 4th place is the Black+Decker 5-amp jigsaw with curve control. Budget-friendly jigsaws often come at the cost of capability and features, but that's not the case with this model from Black+Decker. This corded model features a 5.0-amp motor more powerful than the Pricer Makita we tested that produces up to 3000 strokes per minute via a pressure-sensitive trigger. And with toolless blade changes, switching U-shaped blades is fast and straightforward. This Black+Decker jigsaw features the brand's curve control feature, controlled by a clearly marked dial that helps users choose between straight cutting or no orbit and maximum orbit for working along curves. While powerful, this saw did splinter wood in testing because of the wide opening around the blade, and accuracy proved to be a bit of an issue. When beveled to the max, the saw's power felt sluggish, but that would likely improve with a better quality jigsaw blade. Those points aside, for the price, this is a good saw for beginners to learn with. The 3rd product on our list is the DeWalt 20V Max XR Cordless Jigsaw. For those who already own another DeWalt 20V tool, this jigsaw is a very good addition, especially when purchased as a bare tool. Of all the saws we tested, the grip on this small jigsaw fit best because it's narrow and felt almost like a drill driver, very comfortable. The max speed of 3,200 strokes per minute was fast enough to blast through the wood when set to the max orbital setting, though we did experience some splintering in tests. That somewhat lower speed and vibration, along with the comfy grip, helps stave off hand fatigue. The tool-less bevel adjustment locks in securely. On the downside, the DeWalt handheld jigsaw is not vacuum compatible, and it does not have a lock-on button, which would act like a cruise control during longer cuts. Also, while the shoe has detents that lock in at 0, 15, 30, and 45 degrees, only the 45-degree mark is clearly identified with numbers. What our tester says: I like the excellent blade visibility, especially when cutting at 45 degrees, and the blower feature that kept sawdust away from the blade. Sal Vaglica, Product Reviews Tester and Writer. 2nd on our list is the Makita 14329K top-handled jigsaw. Not everyone needs the burliest, heaviest-duty jigsaw on the market. At just over 4 pounds, this saw is easy to work with, and the 3.9-amp motor delivers up to 3,100 strokes per minute, with speed adjustments via the variable speed trigger. It also features a through-the-body vacuum port to improve dust collection. making it easier to see the blade while cutting. The Makita name may be familiar to pro users, but the 4329K Jigsaw is more of a beginner's model. The slide-down dust cover features a see-through design that minimizes chips and protects the user's hands, while the counterbalance design reduces vibration to minimize fatigue and improve control. Cutting at 90 degrees was fast and smooth, even when the Orbital was switched to the max, and the same was true for cutting at 45 degrees. Our only gripes are that this saw requires a wrench to attach the blade, which slows down blade changes, and its slightly shorter stroke length means it isn't ideal for thicker material. Finally, the top product on our list is the Porter Cable PCE 345 6-amp Orbital Jigsaw. Orbital strokes allow jigsaws to work faster and more aggressively, and like a lot of the better saws, this Porter Cable Orbital Jigsaw offers multiple settings. Better yet, it doesn't have a premium price tag. Beyond the Orbital settings, this saw features a heavy-duty 6-amp motor for hard work and prolonged use. For those long cuts, there's a lock-on switch to hold the trigger in place and act as a cruise control. The overmolded rubberized handle is comfortable, while the large rubberized section on the front of the saw makes for a convenient place for the second hand to guide the saw along cut line. We like the variable speed dial mounted on the trigger. However, while its performance proved similar to the Makita, the Porter Cable is nearly a full pound heavier and a bit bulkier. Also, this Jigsaw doesn't come with a work light, dust control, or any additional features. It's a good saw, though fairly bare bones. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.